This is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to start, launch the Google Drive application that usually comes pre-installed with the system, so you will not have to additionally download and install any other apps. But if that's not true in your case, or you have at some point uninstalled the app, you can no problem get it for free from the Play Store. In here, let me quickly sign into my Google account. Alrighty, so once the app was successfully launched, tap at this plus sign to your bottom right, then choose the scan option, give Drive application the camera permission, or grant it rather, and once the camera interface gets launched, take whatever document you wanted to make the scan of, here is mine, and take a at least decent picture of it. Then see the result. If you're satisfied with it, proceed. If not, just retake the image, or rather picture. At the following interface, you can crop your image if you would like to. In my case, as you can see, automatically it has not been cropped or framed correctly, so I will manually redo it right now. And I will also trim off some extra edges that I will not need, or rather I will not want to see at the final document that I'm about to create. You can also change the color scheme of your scan, so I'll change it to black and white, for example, and then just tap at this, check icon or save icon. It can be save in your case. In here you can rename the document if you want to, change the Google account and folder drive, drive folder that this file will be saved to as well. Then hit that save button, wait for the file to get uploaded to your Google Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.